The Manipur Police arrested 2 individuals for suspected involvements in the ongoing protests at Thoubal district. Acting on a specific input, the police personnel on September 11th made the arrest from the southern sides of Sanjantong on the Porompat PS, Imphal East district. The individuals have been identified as Laishram Roshan Singh, 26 years, a resident of the Kangabok Tangkha Laikai, and Moirang Them Bum Bum Singh, 21 years of Kangabok Maisnom Laikai. A live tear gas cells was also recovered from the accused. In another operation, the police, during a search operations and area domination exercise in the fringe and the vulnerable areas of the hills and the valley districts in Churachandpur district, Sanjang recovered 1 rocket 7.5 feet, 1 modified M16 rifle, 1 large-size country-made mortar, 1 medium-sized country-made mortar, 3 medium bomb launcher, 4 bombs launcher, 3 bombs country-made mortar. Similarly, the personnel also ensured the movement of 262 and 95 vehicles along National Highway 37 and National Highway 2 respectively with essential items. Meanwhile, strict security measures has also been taken up in all vulnerable locations, and security convoy was provided in sensitive stretches in order to ensure free and safe movements of the vehicles. A total of 110 checkpoints were installed in the different districts of Manipur, both in the hills and the valley districts, and police detains 5 persons in connections with the violations in different districts of the state.